All right, let's run through another Mtel question. This one says, given that f of x equals x squared and g of x equals x plus 5 squared, which of the following statements describes the relationship between f of x and g of x? So when you have a number being added inside the parentheses like this, what it's going to do is shift the graph the opposite of whatever this number is in the x direction, so left or right. So since this is positive 5, it actually shifts it negative 5 in the x direction, which means it's shifting it to the left by 5. So g of x is going to be the same graph as f of x, except shifted to the left 5 units. Alternatively, just for the sake of the context of the problem, if you had a number outside the parentheses, if there was a plus 5 out here, that would shift the graph in the y direction. So if it was x squared plus 5 after the x squared, then that would shift it up and down. So inside parentheses shifts it left and right in the opposite direction as you might think. So the plus 5 actually goes left, and a minus 5 would go to the right. And then outside the parentheses, if I had a plus 5, it would go up 5, so the direction that you would think when it's outside the parentheses, and then minus 5 would go down 5. So that's the different ways to shift these graphs. So which one of these answers is saying that g of x is f of x shifted left 5? So if A says the graph of g of x is equivalent to the graph of f of x minus 5. So f of x minus 5, this is minus 5 outside of the parentheses. So this would shift the graph down 5, which is not what we're looking for. Shifting the graph g of x to the left 5 units results in the graph of f of x. That's wrong, because g of x is f of x shifted 5 units left, not vice versa. This is saying shift g of x left 5 units and get f of x, which is not what we're looking for. The graph of f of x is equivalent to the graph of g of x minus 5. Again, this is going to shift the graph up or down, which doesn't work. D, shifting the graph f of x left 5 units results in the graph of g of x. That's exactly what's happening. G of x is f of x shifted 5 units to the left, so D is the correct answer.